Want to know how to use support memory effectively in Dokkan Battle? So no worries, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you equip them before battle and then take the stage category bonus. Some boost KI, others heal HP or others increase drop rates. For example, Goku's family memories gives extra stats when using that category. Always match the support memory to your team type. And remember, the activation cost uses memory film, so save it for hard events like Infinite Dragonfall History or SBR. So with the right memory combo, you can change the outcome of the battle in seconds. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.